Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Monday 10th February 2025. Sunday 9th February 2025 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number member only prediction boom. 3 hot number member only prediction boom number 6, number 13 and number 20. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Lunchtime prediction number 3, number 11, number 26, number 31, number 45, booster number 10. UK 49's tea time prediction first number 5, number 16, number 21, number 36, number 47, booster number 23. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now. Good luck, see you soon.